Morning guys, just wanted to say hey. So hope you're all having a good day. I think what I'm thankful for today is a delivery of fresh materials. So I got a delivery here this morning of some treated posts and stuff that we need for the porch. Got some plywood delivered for the porch roof. And then working back here, trying to get these brackets set here. This got my string line set up and getting some brackets installed here. Got a nice Titan HD anchor in there. So I kind of got that a little far over, but I didn't want these to stick up too much. So it's supported pretty well there, I think. And that is pretty much where those are going to go, kind of towards the front of the piers. But yeah, so trying to kind of square off of the house, off the existing house for the decking part. Now this is going to get a deck about 2 feet up or so across the front here. And yeah, so trying to kind of square off the house. But yeah, so I don't have all the material for framing this deck, but right now these posts are just going to run all the way up. So the plan is to get these posts up, and then I'll have time to fix the bricks over here as well. And so the main thing is try to get it up and get it closed in with underlayment like what it is on the house. And then that way I can get working on overhangs and get all the soffit figured out, fascia, and the roof. So that'll be exciting. Well, hey guys, so keeping on working on the porch here. Okay, here is the porch posts on the front here. Had the Mini to help me set the beams on top. But yeah, so that's going to get a deck about 2 or 3 feet up. We're not sure yet on the elevation. So I wanted to get this set and braced. So we ended up just using the cheap brackets. I mean, they're not cheap, but they're cheaper here because they should all get covered. But on the other side, we went with the fancy ones, which I'll tell you about. But overall, really happy how that worked out. We ended up using pressure treated. I think we're going to let them dry for a while and then stain them. So on this side here, we're going with the fancy brackets. Like I said, they're quite a bit more expensive, but these ones we're going to be seen. So got them set. Hopefully this is going to look good once all the dirt is filled in around here. I think you won't really see my concrete pads, but that's pretty much it. Chickens are out here checking things out. Yeah, so got the string line set up so we can get those nice and straight down through there. Here's my stack of posts that I still have to cut up. Got Wyatt busy here. He is removing some staples for me. Doing a good job there, buddy. Got quite a few out. They had a tag there and lots of staples, so trying to clean these up so that they look good for the backside here. All right, Wyatt said he's got something he's thankful for today. What is it, Wyatt?
That we're getting more done on the house.
Yeah? Awesome. Yeah, we've been making good progress lately, seems like. Awesome, buddy. All right, quick update before it gets too late here, too dark. Still got to pick up a lot of tools, but hey, this backside's looking pretty nice right here. Just got all these posts set and all the beams set today. Pretty happy how everything turned out with these brackets and the posts. Not a whole lot else you can do, I don't think. I didn't want to sit on the concrete here, so we'll just, once we're done, landscape or, clean that up. But we got a lot of digging to do before that happens. So I let this one run a little bit long. Well, I actually did it all the way around, but it's kind of planing with the new wall right here all the way down, because I think this last rafter that's going to come here is going to have to plane out with that plywood up there, that new wall, so that way the soffit can come down in a straight line. Beautiful night, moon's out, and oh, we got a brick delivery today, load of bricks. That's going to be for, we're going to have a mason. He just works part-time as a mason, and he's going to come. I think we talked about it before. We're going to fill in that doorway there. It's super crooked anyway, but we're going to eliminate that one. But he's got to do some removing of bricks first. All right, guys. Well, I hope you have a good night, and we'll catch you next time. Thanks for watching, guys.